If you're tired of wrestling with flimsy phone mounts that won't hold up, you're in the right place. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best car phone mount for thick cases built for durability, grip, and hassle-free driving. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. iottie 360 degrees phone holder. The iottie 360 degrees phone holder stands out as a versatile and reliable option, particularly for drivers using bulkier phone cases. Its 360 degrees rotating base combined with a 210 degrees dual-axis folding arm makes adjusting your phone's viewing angle effortless, whether you prefer portrait or landscape mode. The unique folding design shrinks the mount's footprint by 50% when not in use, keeping your dashboard neat. Durability is a highlight here, with the product surviving over 3,000 adjustment tests and extreme temperature fluctuations from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. What makes it especially suitable for thick cases is its enhanced magnetic strength. 22 high-performance N55 magnets deliver 200% stronger holding power than standard mounts. It securely grips phones through hefty cases, sustaining up to 2,400 GF of force, which translates to handling up to 50 phones' weight. Even in bumpy conditions, sharp turns, and sudden stops, this holder won't let go. The advanced rotating lock vacuum suction boosts stability by 45% compared to conventional designs. The 4-layer high-strength nano-gel suction cup supports up to 78 pounds and is reusable after simple cleaning. Altogether, the iottie 360 degrees phone holder delivers strong. Number 2. Leeson Jeep phone holder. Specifically designed with rugged vehicles and challenging terrains in mind, the Leeson Jeep phone holder offers an innovative approach to keeping your device steady. Uniquely, it becomes more stable as your car shakes, a direct advantage for Jeep, truck, and off-road vehicle owners where traditional mounts often falter. This phone holder utilizes an electric suction cup system, conducting 300+ detections per second to automatically monitor and maintain suction strength. It virtually eliminates the risk of your phone dislodging, even on extreme off-road routes. The system also features automatic air suction every hour to reinforce grip without any manual adjustments. Designed for versatility, it's built to work best on smooth surfaces, with an included transparent pad for leather dashboards. Its upgraded suction technology outperforms conventional mounts, holding strong through vibrations and shocks. Although it doesn't charge your phone, the device includes a handy light indicator that notifies you when charging is needed for the mount itself. Additionally, 5 patented features improve reliability and ease of use. Number 3. Carmount F1. For those who prefer a minimal, elegant phone mounting solution, the Carmount F1 blends style and performance. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy, its compact, sleek design enhances your car's interior without cluttering the dashboard or blocking air vents. This magnetic phone holder uses 8 powerful N52 magnets, ensuring a firm, secure hold even through thick phone cases. It can support smartphones up to 0.8 pounds and even tablets when using 2 mounts together, making it a flexible option for tech-heavy drivers. The closed magnetic field technology prevents interference with your phone's signal, preserving call quality and GPS navigation accuracy. Its full 360 degrees rotation and 30 degrees tilt ball joint mechanism offer optimal viewing angles on the go, whether you're navigating city streets or making hands-free calls. Installation is quick and straightforward. A nano-adhesive ensures a firm grip on smooth, clean dashboard surfaces. Simply peel the backing, press firmly, and wait 24 hours for maximum hold. Number 4. 100+ lbs. When you need extreme durability and holding power for your phone, especially if it's inside a thick, rugged case, the 100+ lbs phone mount is built for the job. Engineered with industrial-grade 100 lb+ suction power, it delivers 60 times the grip strength of basic holders. Its patented nano-melt-proof adhesive ensures a firm hold in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. Certified to top safety and environmental standards like CP65, REACH, and RoHS, this mount has been thoroughly tested across 100,000 kilometers of rough roads from Death Valley to Alaska. A 5-in-1 design allows for mounting on windshields, dashboards, vents, desktops, or using it as a cable manager, offering exceptional versatility. The adjustable clamp arm accommodates larger phones, including iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S24 Ultra models with thick cases. An upgraded dual-button release mechanism provides quicker phone removal compared to single-button competitors. Its triple defense system, number 5, 280 plus LBS. Combining durability, strength, and intelligent engineering, the 280 plus LBS phone mount caters to drivers using heavier, thick-case smartphones in rugged conditions. Its 5 original patented technologies reflect 15 years of user-driven innovation, including a weather-resistant construction that tolerates extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Offering an impressive suction strength of up to 125 pounds, this mount employs a 3-layer nano-sticky gel suction cup with a 2-level locking mechanism, 3 times stronger than most standard mounts. It's proven to withstand air gaps and maintain hold on rough roads, making it ideal for off-road enthusiasts and long-haul drivers. The holder features a steel cord clip that's 20 times stronger and more durable than typical plastic counterparts, minimizing wobble and improving device security.